What's up, guys? So here is the new Nema 23 motor mounts for the Z-axis. We used to use Nema 17s, and Nema 23s is just better. You know, I mean, the rest of the printer uses Nema 23s, so why not make the whole thing use Nema 23? Especially for such a heavy gantry, you know. It isn't the lightest printer around. But so we got slots in here, so you can adjust it this way. That I'm planning to hopefully allow people to use different types of lead screw, and they'll have to, you know, make different lead screw nuts for it too. But I'm pretty happy with it.